Picture this. As the 22nd century dawns, artists and engineers collaborate to create breathtaking art installations, not on Earth, but in orbit above it. These cosmic masterpieces, crafted from ultralight materials and powered by solar energy, are designed to be visible from the ground, transforming the night sky into a living gallery. Some installations might use reflective surfaces to catch sunlight and project dazzling patterns, while others could employ arrays of microsatellites to form shifting images and messages. Advanced AI coordinates the movement and appearance of these elements, ensuring precise choreography. For special events, installations might create synchronized light shows or even spell out messages visible to entire continents. These projects blend science, technology, and creativity in ways never before possible, inspiring new generations to look up and wonder. As international organizations oversee their deployment, they also address concerns about space debris and orbital traffic, ensuring that cosmic art enhances the sky without endangering satellites or space missions.